Kajaj Modi, ki kur ki jaju Modi, ki don kaspa ka bom laban ong. Hatu kane kadai ba ki khati na ki pajba ba dug jong kari. Ki bun na kine ki jaj Modi, ki dai ki nong tu ula ong. Pat de na kane kadau ba Rahul Gandhi ula sha disqualified menta. Kine की कंटेन बाउला करें
10,000 करोड़ रुपए आपकी जेब से निकालकर उसकी जेब में। एक छोटा सा सवाल, इन सब के नाम, इन सब चोरों के नाम मोदी 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 कैसे हैं? नीरव मोदी, ललित मोदी, नरेंद्र मोदी, और अभी थोड़ा ढूंढेंगे तो और बहुत सारे मोदी निकलेंगे।
If I am disqualified, not qualified, whatever, it makes me no difference. Disqualify me for life. Put me inside jail. I will keep going. I will not stop. My job, as I see it, is to defend the democratic nature of this country. And I will do whatever I have to do. Whatever I have to do to defend the democratic nature of this country. What does that mean? That means defending the institutions of this country. I'm a member of parliament, and as the allegation has been made in parliament by 4 ministers, it is my right to have the opportunity. It's my democratic right. So if Indian democracy was functioning, I would be able to say my piece in parliament. So
Please,
let me speak.
Mausami, please let him finish.
So actually what you are seeing is a test of Indian democracy. After 4 leaders of the BJP have made an allegation about a member of parliament, is that member of parliament going to be given the same space that those 4 ministers have been given, or is he going to be told to shut up? That's what the real question in front of